Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the third lecture of my Portuguese tutorial, and from today onwards we are going to cover some vocabularies which you can use in day-to-day life. So without any further ado, let's begin. So guys, let's start the lecture, but before starting the lecture I would like to discuss certain important things. First of all, Portuguese language is being spoken in Portugal as well as Brazil, but there are other countries like African countries which also use Portuguese, such as Sao Tome, Principe, East Timor, Cape Verde, Mozambique. People also use Portuguese language. So like if you want to travel African countries, or you can say if you want to travel the Latin America countries, so you can easily go there if you know Portuguese language. Second thing I would like to discuss that Portuguese language is quite similar with the Spanish language as well. So like if you will understand the Portuguese, then you can easily grab the meaning of the Spanish language as well. So that is why I basically chosen this Portuguese language to learn, and I have spent around 1.5 years while learning this language. So today we will see some vocabularies to understand or start the lecture. So guys, this is our first slide, and I would like to make you acquaintance with some of the vocabularies, that is daily use vocabulary, so that you can play around with the language, so that you can easily understand it. Because my first principle to learn anything is to grab the higher level of that particular thing. So in case of language, I would like to make you acquaintance with the words, so that you can easily speak in day-to-day life. So in Portuguese, vocabulary is being spoken as vocabulario. Now A has some special sign above it, so that is the grammar section which I will discuss later in the videos. For now, understand that vocabulary is being spoken as vocabulario. Now we will see some of the vocabularies, that is word. So first word is it is. Now in English, it is being spoken as A. Now it is not E, right? Understand the difference. It is not E, it is A. Now this above sign is being is telling us to speak this word in some what we say, in some different sound, like A. It's not E, it's A. It is A, right? Now second word is good. Now in Portuguese, everything is being divided between male and female. So for masculine we use bomb, good, bomb. For feminine we use boa, good, bomb. For feminine it's boa. Now the third word is absolutely. Now absolutely is being spoken in Portuguese as absolutamente. We will repeat it again. It is a good, bomb. Absolutely, absolutamente. Now the fourth word is fantastic. Now fantastic is being spoken as fantastico. Now the fourth word is very. Now very is being spoken as muito, right? Now the third word is isn't. Now isn't is spoken as now a. It is not now e, it's now A. So the first word is it is, that is A, good, bomb or boa, absolutely, absolutamente, fantastic, fantastico, very, muito, isn't, now A. So I hope you got these vocabularies. Now we will see some examples which we can use in day-to-day life. Now first example is it is good. So it is A and good is bomb. So it is good, a bomb. For example, if you go and say that it is good, so a bomb. Now the second word is it is very good. So é muito bom. It is a very, muito and good, bomb. Now it is fantastic. So é fantástico. Now fourth word is it is absolutely good. É absolutamente fantástico. Now the fourth word is it is absolutely fantastic. Absolutamente fantástico. Now I have made some small mistake over here. You can see it is absolutely good. Now it is absolutely good means é absolutamente bom. É absolutamente bom. It should not be fantastico. So while making this slide, I made a little mistake. So here you can easily grab that what is the difference between good and fantastic. So that's how you learn things. You make mistakes and you learn things, right? Now the next word is it isn't good. It isn't. Now isn't is for now a. Now when we use it isn't, so it will become now a bomb. Now a bomb. For example, it isn't very good, so now a muito bom. Now a muito bom. It isn't fantastic. Now a fantastico. Now a fantastico. So I hope till now you understood whatever I have explained you. You can these videos will be about 3 to 4 minutes, so you can easily make a time out from your 24 hours whole day. And since it's a quarantine time going on, so you can easily give time and play around some of the language, Portuguese language, so that you can learn something new. Okay, so it is very good time for us to hone our skills. So keep learning. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the channel, please subscribe it and share it as well amongst your friends, so that they can also learn something new and make this time useful. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next lecture.